Hi, I'm Alex Brown, and for my Project 1 in Journalism 215 Multimedia, my first photo set was a wide angle and a telephoto. And so the telephoto lens on the camera makes something that is far away look closer, so I took a photo of a plant on a table in my living room, and the zoom was on to make it appear as if it was closer. And the wide angle photo that I took was of a scenic area in the back of my apartment, and the zoom was out so that it would give an encompassing view of the location as a whole. For the second group of pictures, for Project 1 was stop action and blurred action. And for stop action, I took a photo of a car driving on the street, and it appeared as if it was still in motion and not moving. And for the stop action, my camera was in TV mode, and the shutter speed was set to 1/500. And for the blurred action shot, I took a photo of the ceiling fan in my living room, and the camera was in TV mode, but the shutter speed was at 1/15. For the third set, color and no color, the color shot, I used a rug in my living room of the Blackhawks, and it had colors like black and red and orange, and it showed a lot of texture and color. And then the no color was an image of a chair in my living room. It was just all blue, and so it seems like there's no color in it at all. The fourth set was high angle and low angle, and so I shot a photo at a high angle in my living room at the top of my couch to get the view of the whole living room from a high angle. And then of the low angle, I shot laying down in my hallway looking up at the ceiling at a light. And for the fifth group of photos, direct and indirect light. For direct light, I shot a photo of the table in my living room, and it captured shadows and sunlight coming in through the sunroom in my apartment. And for indirect light, I shot a photo of sunlight coming in through a window so that the light wasn't completely directly coming in. For the sixth setting, close-up and super close-up, I took a photo of a flower in a vase, and then I took the same photo of the flower for super close-up, but it was zoomed in more, and I had the flower icon on in the camera so that the camera would be set in macro. And for the second to last grouping of photos in Project 1, I shot from the same location the morning, afternoon, and night, and the location was the sunroom in my apartment, looking out through a window at Green Street. And the morning shot was taken at 7 a.m. and the noon shot was taken at noon, and I just took my night shot at around 8:30 p.m. And the last section of the Project 1 was a video with and without a tripod, and so I took my video of the same content of my laundry washer and dryer, and so the video with the tripod appears more steady, and the video without the tripod is it's handheld and more wiggly. And both of these videos were set for 10 seconds. I didn't zoom the camera either. So these were the 8 parts of my Project 1 for Journalism 215, and I demonstrated my knowledge of using the cameras to capture all of these images.